people. Well, anyways, Merry Christmas! And cut! That's a wrap, people! We have came here to set a very good example. This video, it was just fake. But this is also real. Yes, don't ask for a puppy this Christmas. Every year, they kill millions of Santas, and that is very harmful to our community. Where else are they going to find more fat elves if we just keep having puppies?
Wait,
Like,
millions of Santas?
Cut! So, everyone, thank you for watching, and if you want to see more of the Santa, please give a big like button and leave a comment down below. And I will probably do more, even if you don't do that. And bye.